Girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today's video was supposed to be the ColourPop times Ellery collection. However, the package did not arrive. So I wanted to make sure that I brought you some content, and as happenstance, I was in Marshall's today and I discovered that they had some more Kat Von D. So I thought I'd bring that to you, and then I made a rather shocking discovery and I want to share that with you as well. So right now I had on one of the lipsticks. I'm going to actually take it off so we can start fresh together. Stick that off. Okay. So I took that off. I'm just going to put a little Burt's Bees on. Coat my lips. Okay, so while I was at Marshall's, I found two Kat Von D lipsticks. They're her Studded Kiss collection, and yes, let's get into the packaging. So cute. So I got two. I got Vampira and I got Motorhead. So I'm going to start with Motorhead. And this is how it comes. The Studded Kiss collection comes in a black studded lipstick case. This is what the color looks like, and I'm going to actually swatch it for you. That's what it looks like on the back of my hand. And now I'm going to try it on. So this is what it looks on. I will tell you, when you first use a Kat Von D lipstick, it does have a little tug on your lips, which is why I put the Burt's Bees on to help it glide across my lips. But I really and truly love the color. So much so, I think I found a dupe for it. And that is Fenty Beauty and the color Griscelda. So this is what Griscelda looks like, and I'm going to swatch it right next to Motorhead so you can see. Look at that. So this one was Motorhead and this one is Griscelda. How freaky is that? I tend to gravitate towards the same colors, so I'm not surprised with myself. What I'm more surprised for is for you guys, because this Kat Von D lipstick retails at Marshall's for $7.99. So Bargain Bellas, I just got you a lipstick dupe for a $16 lipstick for $7.99, for $8. So half the price of Fenty Beauty. You can get this Kat Von D studded lipstick from Marshall's for $8. Mind blown. But let's not stop there. So we're going to take Motorhead off and we're going to try Vampira. So let's wipe this off. Okay, so we wipe that off. Now, let's try Vampira. So here's what Vampira looks like. I'm going to swatch it right next to Griscelda. And I think this is Vampira. I think it's a lighter version of Griscelda. I think all three are very, very similar in tone and color. Look at that. So this is Vampira on the lips, and I'm going to dupe that with PMS, which I know for a fact is going to be darker, but let's just see. All right, so this is PMS and this is Vampira. So I knew PMS was going to be a darker version, but still in all, like for $8, you can't beat it. And these, although they're similar in tones, I'm gonna just swatch Motorhead versus Vampira, which actually Vampira is darker. And you can really see how dark they are in this swatch. So the one at the top, that's Vampira. The one underneath that is Motorhead. So you can really see that the colors are deeper and darker than the other. But overall, they're very similar to the Fenty Beauty. So if you don't want to spend $16 and you have a Marshalls or a TJ Maxx near you, I suggest you run in there, not walk, and find yourself some Kat Von D Studded Kiss. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Hopefully you did enjoy this dupe, and we'll come back again. Matter of fact, why don't you stick around and watch some more videos? And while you're at it, the subscription button is my logo for Brown Girl Bella. It's right there on your right hand side. You can go ahead and click that. Don't be shy. Don't wait on nobody. Just go ahead on and do it. Just click the button. Also, while you're clicking that button, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And until next time, this is your girl, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Until next time, ciao.